Okay, so I'm quickly going to go through and show you how to enter comments for report cards for quarter one. I know some folks are ready and trying to get ready for that. So when you go into PowerTeacher Pro, have the class that you want selected to add comments to. Make sure you're here on Q1. It automatically defaults to that now. You're going to go to your grading tab and you're going to come down and click comment verification. Now when I click that, it's going to be a shortened screen because I have to hide student names for confidentiality. So once you click the comment verification under the grading tab, this is what you'll see. You have all your final grades for Q1. You want to make sure those grades are in there exactly how they should be. Then you're going to double click in the comment bar. And I have to make this screen really small to hide student names. But if you look at the top, you want to change it from calculator to the comment button. And this is what will show up on your screen. Simply go down, click on your comment bank, and when you click this, you add it to that student, and it'll show up on the left side into your student's column. When you've added that comment for the report card, you'll see it'll show up on your spreadsheet here in the comment box. You simply will, to change for other students, you can use the arrows located beside the student's name or double click on a new student to add a new comment for that student. Once you've done all that, you would hit save, and then the comments are saved, they'll be in there, and the data is ready for the report cards. If you have any questions with this, please contact me and let me know. Thanks. I hope you guys have a great day.